Every once in a while, if you're running a poly twine, you put brand new twine in and it will not tie right after you put the twine in. Everything's perfect, but what you got to do, sometimes this twine will get tangled around the knotter bill when it's brand new. So what you got to do is clean that out. So what you need is two 14mm wrenches or two 9/16 inch wrenches. And you're going to look for this bolt here. Look for this L bracket. And then here's your knotter frame, we call it. So we're going to break this bolt loose here and make sure it's real tight. So you press down on this. I've got it broke loose already. Take your bolt out. And then rotate this knotter frame up. Now be careful with your hands, don't get them chipped up. So you can see here that I've got a little bit of a mess here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this down where I got some slack here, and I'm just going to pull this out like this and hold this out with my hand and get the twine off of this knotter bill. And once I do that, would you come around here on this side, Daniel?
Yeah.
Now you can see it's hooked on that bill hook, they call it. So I'm going to get that off of there just by unhooking it. And this happens a lot with brand new twine. So, and we're there. That's it. All you got to do is put this back down, put the bolt in, and you're good to go.